So, the GoPro Hero11 Blacks are out. Is it time to upgrade your GoPro? Well, it probably depends which model you are. For me, I did an upgrade from the GoPro Hero7 Black to the GoPro Hero11 Black, and I'm going to give you 11 reasons why I think you should upgrade. I think it's time. So, what's so good about the GoPro Hero11 Black? A few of the main selling points: it's got a faster processor, GP2, which is also in the Hero10 Black. It's got better stabilisation with the super cool Hyper Smooth 5.0. It's got Horizon Lock, which I'm really excited about. It's got better low light video than previous GoPros. It's got more megapixels, 27 megapixel still photos. It's got 5.3K video. It automatically updates to the cloud when you connect to the GoPro app. It's got better battery thanks to the Enduro, new Enduro batteries. And it's got better colour processing, 10-bit colour processing compared to the old 8-bit. And it's got the awesome Creator Pack, which I'm holding here in my hand. Here are 11 reasons why I think you should upgrade to the GoPro Hero11 Black. Creator Edition, of course. What is the Creator Edition? What it is, it's your basic GoPro. It's got the light mod, little LED light. It's got the media mod, which is the encasement with the microphone and a couple of jacks on the back. HDMI mini, USB-C for charging, and 3.5mm microphone jack for an external microphone. And it's got the Volta. There's 2.8 GoPro batteries in here. Let me turn this light off. And it's also got a cool little tripod. And nice little handle, and it also comes with a 32GB card. And so, reason number one why you should upgrade. This has no Creator Pack, no media mod, no light mod, no nothing. GoPro Hero11 Black does. That's a good reason to upgrade in my book. Reason number two is the super awesome Hyper Smooth 5.0 video stabilisation. Now the Hero7's got pretty decent stabilisation, but 5.0, that's where it's at, baby. Number three, Horizon Lock. So with this one you can rotate your GoPro on any angle you like, and it's going to keep your video horizontal. Awesome stuff. Number four, better battery life. The Enduro battery is mind-blowing apparently. But not only do you get the Enduro battery with the Creator Edition, you get the big battery in the Volta. So you've got pretty close to 4 GoPro batteries before you go flat. Number five, this baby will automatically upload to the cloud. No more tricky workflows into iCloud, into Dropbox, into this, into that, into an SD card, blah blah blah. This will just upload through the Wi-Fi into the cloud to your GoPro subscription. I think that's going to dramatically improve workflow. Number six is stylish form factor. I mean, look at that, super cool. Would you rather be out seeing vlogging with that or that? Pretty easy choice, isn't it? Yeah, I love this form factor. Probably one of the main selling points for me. Number seven is the colour grading, dramatically improved. Apparently you can get, well, it's got a new vibrant mode of colour grading, and it's going to be all round better colour, both photos and video. Number eight is the slick user interface. I'll run through it on some other videos, but a lot of improvements on the interface, a lot of sliders and clever little features to make it more user friendly, and lots more options. Number 9 is the Volta control panel. You can stop, start, change modes and a couple of other things from your Volta here. That's pretty good, I reckon. Number 10 is this light mod and the ability to shoot in low light. Now this is a vast improvement over previous GoPros for low light thanks to the big processor and various other features including the light mod. This really sucked, to be quite honest, with low light shooting. This is going to be quite good. Number 11 is easy charging. All you got to do is plug it in here and it's going to charge both the Enduro battery in the GoPro and the Volta battery. Just one charge does a lot. So there's your 11 reasons to upgrade to the GoPro Hero11 Black. I'll also give you a few more reasons, there's plenty of them. 5.3K video. GoPro Hero11 Black doesn't freeze like this one. Often freezes, I've got to take out the battery to kick it in the guts again. Apparently these ones perform pretty well. It's got much better high resolution photos, better resolution and better colour grading. You can get high resolution photos from video, I think up to 27 megapixel. It's got some really interesting light effects, starlight, light trails, light painting. Haven't quite figured them out, but they're bound to be loads of fun. And last but not least, the 8x slow motion. So there's plenty of good reasons to upgrade, especially if you're coming from a much older model like the 4-year-old GoPro Hero7 Black. So there you go, peeps. I think it's time to upgrade. There's been some serious tech jumps in GoPro Hero11 Black. If you own a Hero 10 Black, maybe not quite. Maybe wait for another model or two, but anything before that, it's time. This is Raymond from Nice Right Now in Australia. We'll catch you later.